Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here, and we have you Goose 2. You wished for NEFFEX called Unavailable. That's the name of the song. Unavailable. So, yes, thank you for Goose 2 to wish here on Goring Guitar. And I really hope that all the NEFFEX fans will enjoy this as well. So let's go with this one. We have just 4 chords. We don't need any capo for this one. So we're gonna go over the chords, we're gonna go over the melody, and then how to strum this song. And we also have a different strumming from later on in the song that completely different kind of rhythm there. But we'll come to all that. First, let's go over the chords. So we have the D first. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is B minor. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 2nd fret and you bar all strings except for the last E here. So 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have the A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then we'll go with a straight G there, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So that is the chord progression here throughout the song. So we're gonna take a look first at the notes, starting with D and take it chord by chord. So D, just the plain notes, I would play like this. That's the end note there belonging to D. So that is first open D, then 2nd B, 3rd B, and I play with my fingers here on index 2nd B and my mid finger 3rd B the first time. Then you're gonna repeat that. So you're gonna go back to open D, then 2nd B again with my index, then 3rd B. This time I slide to the 3rd fret B string with my index finger. So I have index on 3rd B. That's the first half of it. So just repetition. We have open D, 2nd B, 3rd B. Then again, open D, 2nd B, 3rd B. I'm here now with my index finger on 3rd B. And then you're gonna play like this. Okay, like that. So that is from 3rd B. You're gonna hammer on the 5th B. So that's why you need to come over here with the index finger on 3rd B to get to reach this 5th B here. And get back to 3rd B. So it starts here on 3rd B, you hit that one, you hammer on 5th B, and you pull off to get back to the 3rd B. So you just need to pick once there, and then your fretboard hand does the rest there, so like that, because it needs to go fast. And then you have the 4th A string to hit there as a transition note into next part. And that is the D. So slowly it goes. Okay. And over now to the B minor. What I do here when I come to this position is to just grab a bar here. That's the easiest way, in my belief, to get the notes here. So just put the bar here as if you would play the full bar chord, B minor, but you don't have to hold the rest. I just place a bar like this. So with that, you're gonna play this part. Sorry. Like that, all right? So that is 2nd A, 2nd B, 3rd B, we do that again. So second A, second B, third B, and then comes this part. Same principle as in the D here. We're gonna play the second B, third B, and second B, but with the hammer on and pull off technique. So you're gonna pick the second B, you're gonna hammer on and pull off to get back to the second B. So second, third, second, and then you hit one extra on the second B again. So that is the B minor. So slowly it goes. Right, then over to A. When you just play the notes here, I would just suggest you get a short bar on the same second fret, but now you just have to bar the E, B, and the G string. That's what I gonna place a bar on, these three last strings down here. So you're gonna play this part. All right, so that is open A, second B, second G, again, open A, now third B. So you place the finger in front of your bar there, you keep that bar, you just place third B there, and then second G, then open A, and second B. Okay, so that A goes like this slowly. And then we have the G, the same pattern as an A, but now the bass note will be the third fret E string. So you keep that bar for A and for G and just place a finger up here. I suggest you go with your middle finger to place this on the third fret E string, because you would need to have your ring finger down here pretty soon. So you play now the same pattern, third E string, second B, second G, then again third B, third E, third B, so place a finger in front of, and then second G, third E, and you take it off to play the second B. The same pattern as an A, just you have a new bass note there in the third E. So slowly it goes like this. Yes. So that is the melody, and I'm gonna take you through now all these chords from D, B minor, A to G, and it sounds like this. Yeah, I slipped on one note there. I think you understand. Always hard to get things slow sometimes, but that is actually how you should start to practice and then gradually go up in tempo. I think you can manage to do one in standard tempo. It goes like this. Yeah, like that. So that is the melody. Now you could play this with strumming, of course. So you go to the chords now. So we have the D, for instance, or actually we can go with the G that covers all strings. So grab the G. You're gonna do the same for all these chords. So one string around will be down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Like this. And it's pretty much how the notes come. So you're gonna play down, down, clap. So 2 downs and a clap. Then you're gonna play 3 downs and a clap, and you end with a down. So down, down, clap, then 1, 2, 3, clap, and then 1. So 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, 1. That is one string around. You're gonna do that one time per chord. D, B minor, A, and G, like this. And once you manage the melody and the strumming, then you can build in the notes into the strumming, and it could sound something like this. Yeah, something like that. No rules here. You know where the notes are and you know how the strumming goes, and just follow that rhythm. If you play differently sometimes, it doesn't matter, because as long as you switch chords with right timing and hit a couple notes here and there, it will sound great anyway. So that is the melody and the strumming. Then I can just mention at about 1 minute and 42 seconds into the song comes a second way of play this with strumming. So it completely changes there. If you listen to the song 1 minute 42 seconds in, you're gonna hear this the guitar there. So we can take another chord here, for instance the B minor. Let's go for B minor. So you have one string around that goes like this. All right. So it starts there suddenly, and you're gonna play this till the very end here for D, B minor, A, and G. So what are we playing here? So you're gonna play first 2 downs with a pause in between. So, and then comes up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So. So first down, down, then up, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's how I play it. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And if you follow the chord progression here, it will be like this. Yeah, play around with it. That pretty much covers NEFFEX Unavailable. So Goose 2, thank you for interacting with me here on Going Guitar, and I know there are many NEFFEX fans out there. I'm one of them, so yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to comment for future Wednesdays for all you guys, and yeah, till next time, play tuned.